Wow, it's been a minute. Hey YouTube, I'm back. Okay, so today we're gonna do a Moschino DIY. As you can see, this is all my material. It will be listed in my Amazon store, and let's get started. So the first thing I did was I attached the chains. The video was not good, so it's not in this video, but I just attached the chains to themselves. They have like a little hole, a little slit where you can link them together or whatever. Really easy. I did that off camera. So right now I am using that little screw thing for jewelry making. I am putting a hole at the top of the alphabet like so, and I'm going to add a jump ring to it. So I'm doing that to all of the alphabets right now. And this is where I put the jump ring in. You can't really see it because the focus is off. Sorry guys, I'm gonna do better. And once you do that, you're going to add the jump ring to the chain. Now because we read left to right, make sure you put the words on the left side of the belt and then the other end of it on the right side. So I had to redo it a couple of times, but you know what, it's okay though. We're gonna get better. Anyhow, so yeah, this is the Moschino chain DIY, belt DIY. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you're not following me on Instagram, please follow me on Instagram because they usually see it first. But yeah, this is just the longer version. Let me know what you think. It's super cute. Oh yeah, and to end it, you just add the lobster clamp with the jump ring and you attach it to the end of the chain link. And then you close it like that. I put 2 lobster clamps on both sides. And this is me looking super, super cute.